Hey, I'm a 100%.
I'm stacking rich. You don't know that shit. I'm getting young, but I'm touching on the dick. Your shoes crooked, ain't got a curve. You talking shit, you don't deserve. Go on the microphone, put up the heels. TV, you don't rapper, I'm the fucking realest. Why you mine? You say I'm smoking. I let you like a gun, boy, you gon' get smoked.
Hey, dog.
I'm fucking hot, cause I'm fucking everything.
Take away nigga Simone! Hell, I know you ain't gonna let Simone do you in like that.
That's what it is. Yeah. Pussy nigga G, I'm rapping talking that shit. Come right here, nigga. Come right here, fucking shit. Come right here. No, he ain't ready.
He's upset.
Yeah, this fucking nigga, callin' me a rapper, pussy ass old nigga, on the school, that's the rapper, pussy boy, just getting, look at his big ass rolls, pussy ass nigga, but look if he ain't fuck your bitch, talking fuck, he got the goodness, he ain't got fucking shit, and he got that fucking green on, he suck dick, pussy boy, you up there, bitch, looking like a fucking snitch, fuck that shit, you know it's shit, I'll put your ass in the ditch, so your ass nigga, bitch, you don't give a fuck about rapping, bitch, I got this ice, bitch, look, I'll steal your money, I'll steal your billion too, I'll steal your Malibu, hey nigga, fuck you, hey, where shit is real, so once you take a fucking, I bet on this, tell that brother what's the struggle, he called that KGB, he can't even think, this fucking booty ass, looking like a stick, got like dogs, so
Hey, man, cut that, man. Let's go, man. Let's run through this thing, man.